Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 1 in Minecraft Forge. First, confirm that your specific Minecraft game version precisely aligns with the Forge version you have installed. A mismatch between these two often triggers the error. Also, make sure your internet connection remains robust. An unstable connection can interfere with necessary downloads or updates. Sometimes, a simple computer restart effectively clears temporary software conflicts, allowing a fresh start. A frequent culprit behind error code 1 is an incorrect or outdated Java installation. Minecraft Forge typically requires Java Runtime Environment 8 to operate smoothly, so check your current version. If you are running an older or newer Java, it could cause compatibility issues. Download and install the precise Java version needed directly from the official Oracle website, ensuring you remove any conflicting older versions first. This step is crucial for stable modded gameplay. If Java isn't the problem, a corrupted Forge installation might be causing the issue. Before reinstalling, navigate to your mods folder and temporarily remove all mod files. Then, completely uninstall your current Forge setup. Download and run the official Forge installer again, making sure it matches your Minecraft version perfectly. If Forge then launches, gradually add your mods back one by one, testing each time. This helps pinpoint any conflicting mod files. Minecraft Forge, especially with many mods, can be quite resource-intensive, and insufficient allocated memory often triggers error code 1. Open your Minecraft launcher settings and locate the Java Virtual Machine Arguments section. Here, you can increase the amount of RAM your game uses. For a heavily modded experience, aim to allocate at least 4 GB of system memory, providing enough room for the game and all its modifications to run smoothly and without crashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.